Jamni Pujari and I'm back again with another video of the series where we're gonna see how to make hover effects on an image. So basically in this hover effects what we're gonna do that we will see how to slide down your text and slide up your image with just a hover. Now this is little interesting because many card effects make your website look much more cooler and interactive. The UI, the user experiences increases. They feel, oh wow, this is great. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So, my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code and let's see how to make this. So my HTML boilerplate is ready, and inside body tag I will write one class as card, and inside that card I will put our image, and then we will write one more class whose name will be description, and inside that we will write one h3 and one p tag and also one anchor tag to make a clickable button. So my friends, we are done with the HTML part. This was for the HTML. Now let's see how to make the CSS part. Now here I will write box sizing as border box, and then I'll target my body, and there I will say that the font size should be 10 pixels, margin should be 0, the display flex margin as 0, display flex align items to be center, and minimum height as 100, viewport. And then we'll target our card and set its width and margin, and then we will target our image and we'll set its width and margin. Display should be block, and whenever somebody will hover on our image, it should scale less than its original position or original size, right? So for smooth transition we will add transition, and then we will write whenever somebody will hover on the card, right, how the image should Now we will target our description and style it. We are writing descriptions position as absolute, left 0, bottom 0 and width as 100%. Okay, so because we don't want to see it until and unless somebody will hover on it. Since nobody should see the text, right? So that is why first we will give it translate in the y-axis very bottom, right? We will give it to all our description like H3, P and A, and after that we will give it some transition and opacity as well. So the opacity should be 0 in the original part, and then when we'll say that card hover, at that time we will target every element such as H tag, H3 such as H3 tag, P tag and A tag, right? Because we want that every tag should be targeted properly, and after targeting that we will set its translate y-axis to 0. So and also we will say opacity should be 1, so that they can come to their original position whenever somebody will hover on the card. So that is why we will specifically target every element like this. My friends, this was it for this video, and let me know in the comments what do you think about this. And also if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And also there is one thing that I really wanted to tell you all, that thank you for always supporting me. I am really overwhelmed with the likes and the views. And also there is one thing, that if you are just watching my tutorials and not practicing by yourself, then there is no use of putting so much efforts to watch this video and then think that just by watching videos you will be a web developer. So that's not how things work. You have to see my video and then you have to work on the projects like on this, or you can work on any similar projects, right? So please do work on it and do not just ideally sit and watch the videos thinking that you will be a web developer just by watching videos. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. I'm there to solve every doubt. And bye bye, have a great evening.